guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity. I am here with our last episode using the Botanical background stamp set, and we are doing a rainbow ombre. Like I mentioned, we're using the Botanical background. This is Brutus Monroe designed for Unity. Also using the special wishes, we're using Hello Darling for our stamp set. We're going to need a stamp positioner or a Misty, and the following ink colors in Juniper Mist, Royal Treatment, Party Dress, Mandarin Spice, Tiara, Lime Ricky, Eucalyptus, and let's get started. We're going to begin by our rainbow, starting from the top in rainbow order with purple, blue, green, pink, yellow, and then ending with green, and I have two shades of green ending with the darkest. I like to use a dry paper towel to rub on my Misty to really push that stamp down. To really add some more colors, I'm going to come in and add more color right in the center and then stamp the top just a little bit darker. I'm going to trim it to fit on another piece of cardstock, and this is flat adhesive. I'm not using any foam. Next, we're going to stamp the Hello Darling directly onto our stamped cardstock. And for a finishing touch, I'm using some glittery washi tape, just adding 2 strips at the bottom of our sentiment. This is a great way to make a 1-layer card with lots of color. There's no raised panel, so you should not have to pay for extra postage, but it is really pretty and it doesn't take away from that gorgeous stamp set. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial in the series. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Have an awesome day.